Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best foldable electric scooter for adults. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's the result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, FLJ. The high-quality front and rear suspension will help you with that. The manufacturer did not forget about safety, either. At the front there are 4 strong lights. At the rear you will find a classic red warning light, brake light and turn signals. The load capacity of the scooter is 180 kilograms. Great is also the power, which is equal to 8,000 watt and is evenly distributed between 2 motors on the front and rear wheel. Translated into numbers, the maximum speed is equal to 90 kilometers per hour. In the city at traffic lights, you will definitely be among the fastest with this performance. It is also available with a more powerful 45 ampere-hour battery with a total capacity of 3,240 watt-hour. The manufacturer establishes a range of up to 130 kilometers with a 60 kilograms rider. If you drive aggressively and fast, you can definitely count on a slightly lower range. Great is also the power, which is equal to 8,000 watt and is evenly distributed between 2 motors on the front and rear wheel. Power is transmitted to robust 13-inch wheels. This means that you will not have problems even on more demanding terrain. Charging takes 8 to 10 hours and there are 2 charging ports that you can use at the same time. This should cut the charging time by about half. Number 4. Brand name, Caba. Mantis electric scooter is designed for the demanding rider who wants it all. Swift inner-city commutes with strong acceleration, excellent trail performance for those fun weekend rides, large batteries to master up to 50 miles between charges, and still allows carrying in one hand. With 65 pounds, this scooter is one of the lightest in its class. It folds down easily and is still portable, despite its strong performance. The 2 powerful brushless 60-volt 1,000-watt motors deliver fun acceleration and climb up to 30% inclines with ease. Ride in single-motor mode up to 30 miles per hour while conserving your battery, or switch on the second motor for extra acceleration and 40 miles per hour top speed. The front and rear advanced swing arm spring suspension delivers a smooth ride on any terrain. Ride over grass or on dirt trails, jump a curb in the city, this 40 miles per hour electric scooter can handle pretty much any reasonable ground condition. Dual semi-hydraulic disc brakes in the base version and full hydraulic brakes in the Pro version provide full control during your ride. The advanced display throttle combination allows configuration of speed limit, cruise control and regenerative braking strength. Mini Motors display also features motor torque adjustments and anti-lock braking system. 2 front and rear LEDs and the bright lateral LED strip will ensure you will be seen at night. We recommend an attachable headlight for longer rides at night. Number 3. Brand name, Jishai. 60-volt 3,200 watt or 2,600 watt motor, Samsung 35 ampere-hour 60-volt lithium battery, dual shock absorption and 11-inch pneumatic tires provide great shock absorption and anti-slip function. Charging time is about 6 to 8 hours, and the maximum stroke can reach to 110 miles. Efficient damping system adapts this electric scooter adapting to the roads of different terrains. Bright headlights ensure you ride safely in the dark. Detachable seats give you a different riding experience. Quickly folding mechanism allows folding, unfolding in seconds, making it a perfect portable folding electric scooter. Guided hydraulic shock absorption, good effect and more durable 10mm preload adjustment function. With electric anti-lock braking system breaker, keep you safe to ride power recovery system. With left and right turn lights, guiding direction lights, can provide more dynamic information for the rear when changing lanes. The large folding switch is more than double the folding and opening of ordinary cars. High-speed cycling, collision of the car, no deformation, no shaking, no braking at the same time. Folding is more convenient and more durable. Number 2. Brand name, Xiaomi. A new generation of 8.5-inch pneumatic tires, more comfortable, less bumpy. The puncture resistance and robustness have been comprehensively improved, and the performance of the explosion-proof tires has also been greatly optimized. The durability of the 8.5-inch tires has been increased by up to 3 times. Not only does it make for a smooth ride on flat roads, it is also very comfortable to ride on non-paved roads like gravel, dirt roads, and grass. The high-safety 18,650 power lithium battery with large power supply offers a safe and durable performance. A full charge can take you 30 kilometers. Real-time display of 8 kinds of data, speed mode, power, lock status and other driving information at a glance. It can also be used to switch between speed modes and to turn the headlights on and off. Number 1. Brand name, KACO. KACO e-scooter is equipped with a 350-watt upgraded motor, which can reach a maximum speed of 15.6 miles per hour. High-capacity battery. Underwriters Laboratories approved support maximum 22 miles. Speeds range, top gear 15.6 miles per hour, second gear 12.5 miles per hour, first gear 9.5 miles per hour. Equipped with a headlight, taillight and turn signals to visually notify pedestrians and riders around, avoiding any unwanted accidents. With a disc brake and electric anti-lock braking system. Electronic anti-lock braking system for an efficient, responsive brake in about 13.1 feet. Easy to fold and reassemble in a few seconds. Weighs just 28.6 pounds and light enough to carry with you.